Dyslexic Genius here. I'm back on the Edison gym and we're going to fit a few parts in the gear train, checking things. This is what a gear should look like before you put it back in, all clean. All the dirt off, you got all the crud out. You just get a brush, brass or wire brush on a steel gear, it won't hurt it. And you just go like that with a simple green and clean it out. And then what you do now is, we've done all the work, deburred, polish this out. I polish this out on my deburring tool, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So now when we find the set screw place, goes right on like it should, nice and smooth. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the governor drive gear and the governor drive pulley. And you have to do the same thing. So I found out there was burrs on these. So I put this in my lathe, but you can do it in your drill with 320 and just kind of smooth this out till you get that burr off. And I kept doing that, and then it slides right on nicely, no tightness. And when you spin it, it's dead on like that. The other problem that'll arise on this 1/8 inch hole and the 1/8 inch hole on the pulley is that sometimes you'll get a burr on the inside. So what you'll have to do is get a 1/8 inch ream. You can find those on Amazon. And you come in here and you line this up gently and you just push it in like that.
And that reams out any
reams out any burrs. And then you come back in and you do the same thing to the pulley. You come in, you just drive it through, give it a couple of twirls. You can see right there on the ream, which are dead center, it does have a little bit of a wonk to it. And then you come back and you check the running fit. That comes on nicely. And you see right in here, you can see the indentations of burrs or where it had been galled at one time. So now this will come back in. You put that on. It's running dead center. What happens on gems is because this is a 1/8 inch shaft and it sticks out the side here. So this will pop in here. Literally, you can breathe on this shaft and it'll bend it because it's so thin. So after reassembly, I'm going to show you how to straighten this out with a little tappy and a brass hammer to get all the gears and the pulleys to run dead center and they're not wobbling around like this. Pretty easy fix. But this is the kind of work, it's very labor intensive. But once you've done all this work that we're going to do on the gem, it's going to run like a charm. And that's my tip for the day.